Sir, they're MB battles, okay? Like...
Really?
Yeah, they're MB battles.
I thought these were... Yeah, these are what?
TTS.
TTS.
They're legit.
TTS.
They're legit MB battles.
TTS.
Sir, you're gonna lose air. Hey, look at this.
Oh man, dude.
Look at that.
Wow, you saved my life, dude. That was close.
You could have not made that.
Dude, you're always looking out for me. Always. Tony is always looking out for me. Actually, we're trying to figure out what kind of coilovers I have. Oh, wait, they're yellow.
Coney yellows?
I don't know. I
can't read.
I don't know.
I'm too broken to read that.
They're legit coilovers, though. They're legit. Mike's here with the Chaser, too. Because we roll in together. Chaser. Mark II. Skyline. Bros. What is this here? I haven't seen this guy in a clean minute. A hot minute. Dude's just trolling me. He's just trolling me. I wasn't stealing it. Hey Tony, does that alarm yell at you in Japanese too?
It might.
Like a Japanese woman.
That's actually perfect Japanese, sir.
Yeah.
I've never heard anyone speak it so
I took a
well.
class in college. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Will it still fit in there? Oh, man.
That's somebody who loves their Skyline right there.
Yeah.
So we're having a nice little meetup tonight. Kind of last minute thing, but we got some pretty cool cars. What the fuck? Is that the alarm? I think it sneezed. That's it. That's all she's got.
2 hours later.
Look at they trying. Yeah.
Come to a car meet, you get a pulled pork sandwich. I'm probably the only one. Oh, thought I was special.
No.
Oh well, I still got a pulled pork. American things. Yeah, so she's pretty slow, I know, but if you pretend that the kilometers on the speedometer are actually miles per hour, it helps quite a bit. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So we're starting off this vlog kind of late tonight, so I'm actually going to bed and we'll catch you guys in the morning. Well, good morning everybody, welcome back. So first things first this morning, it is quite early. We are going to get some coffee, and I apologize to my neighbors in advance for this cold start of the Skyline. Yeah. Well guys, I made a bit of a mistake this morning, and well, I decided to go to Starbucks and I brought the Skyline. You all know my problem. I don't have any cup holders, so this should be interesting. So basically I need y'all to pray for my coffee. We need coffee. So tired.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney.
So as you can see, I kind of did some Christmas shopping a little bit early, and I got myself a new camera. So this whole time I've pretty much been using this, what I'm shooting now is with a Canon G7X Mark II. So everything that you've seen so far on the channel has been filmed with this little camera, and I've been so impressed with it. It really is a good camera, and it definitely has its place. But I definitely wanted to just do a little bit of an upgrade so I could have a little bit of a wide angle lens and different lens options, external mic, all that kind of jazz. So yeah, I picked myself up this little ditty here. This is a Canon M50, so a little bit more bulkier than what I'm used to, but yeah, so let's see if it looks any different. And there you have it, guys. So everything moving forward will pretty much be shot on this camera here. This wide angle lens is pretty cool. It's actually, wow. Because I'm literally holding you guys. That sounds really weird. I'm literally have the camera, like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 inches actually closer to my face than I did with the G7X. Like, if I hold up my arm the same way I did with the G7X, this is what you're getting. So it's pretty crazy of the field of view you get with this lens. I think it's going to be a lot better moving forward with all my car reviews and stuff like that, especially getting to see the interior of cars and stuff like that. So you know what, let's check out the SKYLINE just to see how it works. So you can see here, oh yeah, way better. Like before it was just, you got a very narrow field of view, so this is definitely cool. I have the lens actually really close to all this stuff, and you can still see everything. So that's really awesome. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. There's not much else I'm actually doing today, so it's going to be kind of boring, but there is a lot of stuff coming up on the channel. There's going to be an update video coming out for the SKYLINE here. I definitely have some stuff I'm going to be doing to it. So that's going to be interesting, but I'm going to save that for another video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, throw this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you on the next video. Peace!